Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone keyboard not showing up. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, make sure tap on settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone settings, tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. After doing all setting and after this go back, tap on accessibility, tap on touch and tap on breathability, turn off and turn on. After this go back, now tap on again general, tap on software update, now tap on iOS version software update and after this go back, now tap on shutdown and power off Spotify and on your device enter your password and again now tap on settings and tap on Bluetooth and tap on Bluetooth to turn off and go back. After this all step, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.